Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make money using YouTube. Okay, just watching YouTube video. Here is the proof of payment from the site. Okay, just use your phone, your mobile phone, your system, use your PC. Okay, here we go. But before we continue, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so that any video I make, you can be the first to watch. Okay, here is the proof of payment that $5 sent to you. Okay, so we go. You can cash out to PayPal, Pioneer, Bitcoin, Paytime, then Skrill, Paye, bank transfer, and others. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell. All right, here is the helping money online. All right, so this $3.170. Okay, by doing this you can make money online just by watching YouTube video. Okay, so we're going to start from the step. So you go to the site. The name of the site is shrinkme.io. all right, shrinkme.io. So the site is loading. Just wait as the site load. So I'm going to show you all the steps that you take to earn money watching YouTube video. All right, you see $5. You can cash out as little as $5, $7, and others. Okay, not every site will do this, so you don't need to skip any part of this video. So the first step you take is you search for popular YouTube channel on the site. Okay, so this is what you do. You search, or you can search on Fortnite. You know, I choose Fortnite. Fortnite is very popular on YouTube. Okay, it's very popular on YouTube, so you have to choose a channel that is very popular so you can earn more. All right, you can see we have videos that was posted for 2 hours and is earning up to 600k views. Okay, so you go to register, then just you there's nothing hard there. Please wait. Okay, so you can see highest paying URL shortener. You can also earn through URL shortener. Okay, so go for your registration. Okay, what is just description of this site. Okay, so this is the description. As you can see, low minimum payouts. Just imagine payouts. Imagine earning this type of money using your mobile phone. You can cash out in Bitcoin, Paytime, URPI, Skrill, Paye, and bank transfer. Okay, so that's it. You can go to registration. Okay, you can enter your real name, your username. That's the name you can remember. Okay, you enter your username. Okay, then I enter my username. All right, okay, you enter your username here, your password, then you confirm your password, then click on I'm not a robot, then just click on agree on the policy. Then after that you can just click on register. All right, so here we go. This is how your dashboard will look like. It is just a new dashboard. All right, so the total earning now is 0.0. So here is the Fortnite videos. Here is your withdrawal box. All right, so these are video in Fortnite. Okay, imagine the video posted in 10 hours ago, and you can see the views here. Okay, just new video, but it's having a big view. All right, you can see other videos posted 5 hours ago. It's having up to 400k views. All right, so you go to, so that's why I chose Fortnite, so that you can choose any other channel of your choice, but you would choose the one that is popular. All right, so just a gameplay. People like to watch funny videos, okay, just as funny as this. So this is just the minimum withdrawal you can withdraw. All right, so we'll continue with the process. Okay, this is just, you go to your YouTube, you copy the video URL. Okay, then you go to the site and you paste it. Okay, this is just a new shortener link. You can also make money with your new shortener link. You just click, just add there, then the link has been shortened. Okay, then you have to copy it. You have to copy it. Okay, all right, just copy the URL link, the one shortened already. Okay, so where we came to this site. This is just a popular site, so I'm just trying to show you how you can also make money with the link shortener. Just the link you copied from the YouTube channel, which is the Fortnite. Okay, so you can also go to this channel. You can use this channel when you want to log into your shrinkme.io. all right, okay, so the next step now is, please wait. Yes, I know it sounds funny that people make money watching videos, just the way you watch on YouTube and you don't get paid for watching. Okay, so this is just a link that have been posted. Okay, so let's search for the Fortnite. Okay, then here we go. Please wait, I'm going to take it step by step. Okay, that's the URL link. So so here is the videos. So you can just please bear with me, I'm just settling some things. Okay, it's just like a description. Okay, bug fishes Fortnite creative VI. Okay, please be watching. I'll show you the steps I just taken. Just copy out the right up, then this is just PC Gamma. This site gets more than 1 million visitors a day, and you know how much this will be. So I will show you how to do all these things. Okay, all this victory royale, just a video, it's a funny videos. All this, once you do this in the site, your money, they will be reflecting your dashboard. You don't need any hard task. There's nothing hard to do in this site. Okay, so the thing you do is, so log into the site and register now.